Hi everyone, it's Oliver here, and you're probably thinking, Oliver, why are you wearing such a funny outfit? Well, this is my gardening outfit because I am outside in my garden. And today we are going to be looking at the different parts of a plant. Because our big question is, how do I know it's alive? And today we are looking at what are the different parts of a plant. Okay, so I have a plant here that I found in my garden and I picked it out. Okay, and you can see that there are different parts of the plant. Before we have a look at each plant, let's have a look at the book that we read at the beginning of the week. Do you remember this book? In the book, it actually had the different parts of a plant. Now, have a look up here. The first part of a plant at the top is the flower. Now, not all plants have flowers, but a lot of plants do have flowers. This is a flower here. The next part is this big green thing here. It's a leaf. Can you say leaf? Good. The next one is, these long kind of firm bits here. That is the stem. Can you say stem? Good job. Now, under the ground, there are long roots. Can you say roots? Good job. Okay, let's put this book down. Let's have a look at the plant and let's see if we can name all the different parts of the plant. It's very long. Now, at the top, we have lots of little flowers. Wow. Look at all those little flowers. So that is the first part. The next part are what is this called? Can you tell me? Have a think. A leaf. So we've got lots of leaves. Wow. Now, this long bit here, kind of hard long bit in the middle, which is green, that is the stem. Can you say stem? Good job. Now, I pulled this out of the ground. It was living and I pulled it out of the ground to show the roots. Wow, have a look at that. So they are the roots and they go under the ground, but they are still a part of the plants. They're called roots. Can you say roots? Roots, good job. All right, let's go over it one more time. Flowers, leaves, stem, and roots. Good job. Now, there's something really cool that I found. I found this little model of a plant. Now, this plant's a little bit different because this plant, there's no flower on top. It actually has seeds on it. Can you say seeds? Good job. And then what would this be called? Be called the leaves. And then what goes into the ground? It's roots. Good job. And then this long bit here is the stem. Awesome. So we've got leaves, stem, seeds on this one, and the roots that go into the ground. Ooh. All right. Now what we're going to do is we are going to label the different parts of a plant on the special worksheet that we put in your books that you took home at the end of term 1. So I'm going to go get that now and I'm going to show you how to do it. It says parts of a getting my mouth ready, plant. And there are 4 words down here. Leaf, root, stem, flower. And they are the 4 different parts of a plant. And you can see here that we have a plant, and it looks like this plant might have a flower on top. Oh, wow. Okay, the first thing you need to do is you need to cut out the 4 words. So you need to cut across the line, like so. Carefully cutting, trying your hardest. Okay, once you've cut out across the line, you need to cut out each word. Once you have cut out the 4 words, you now need to find a glue stick. If you don't have a glue stick, that's okay. You can just put the words into the right spot without glue. Alright, so now I need to find where each of these words go. They have to go in one of the 4 boxes, and the boxes have an arrow pointing to a different part of the plant. Now, this word says leaf, so I have to find where the leaf is. Is this the leaf? No, that is the root. So I can see that this is a leaf, so I'm going to get the word leaf. I'm going to put some glue on it, and I'm going to stick it here where the arrow is pointing to the leaf. Okay, the next word I have here is root. So I'm going to have to find where the root is. Is this a root? No, it's the flower up here. Oh, the root is down here, and there's lots of roots. So I'm going to put some glue on my piece of paper, and I'm going to stick it where it's pointing to the root. The next one I can see here is stem. I'm going to get the word stem, and I can see that this is the stem here. So I'm going to put some glue, and I'm going to stick stem in the box where the arrow is pointing to a stem. The last one, flower. Oh, this is a big, beautiful flower at the top, so I know that putting some glue on, it goes up here. Now that I have finished labeling the different parts of the plant, I now need to color in the picture of the plant, and I'm using a few different colored pencils. When you are coloring in the picture of the plant, it's important that you use the correct colors of what you might see on a plant. So I am coloring in the stem a light brown because I have seen a lot of plants with light brown stems. Now I have to think about what color is a leaf going to be. I have seen a lot of green leaves, so I'm going to color in my leaf green. I'm going to try my hardest to do my best coloring. Once you finish coloring the leaves, you have to color in the roots and the flower. Let's have a look at the different parts of the plant. Here we can see it's the flower. Flower. This is the leaf. Leaf. Here we have the stem, and down here we have the root. Wow. It's now your turn to go find your parts of a plant sheet and try to do this by yourself. Give it your best shot.